Hey guys, Tinker Golf Man here, and today I wanted to give you guys an unboxing of the 2018 Club Cameron kit. I know it's already April. I've had this package since like February, so I've just had not had a chance to open up this package and do an unboxing and show you guys the New Year's Club Cameron. So let's go ahead and open it up, and I haven't even cut the box open. So let's go ahead and do that. So it says do not razor. I mean, I'm just gonna use my scissor, obviously, because this year has some cool items. But let's go ahead and open it up. Ooh, all right. So I totally forgot I had this box, honestly, and I'm just glad that I was able to get it. But it's been some time since I actually had a time to create a video. So I do apologize that I haven't got to some people that reached out to me and said, hey, what is a 2018 Club Cameron kit looking like, and have you used it, and do you like it, and all of this. And I'm so sorry that I haven't got back to some people, but let's do the unboxing. And here it is. Can't get all this stuff out. So obviously the biggest thing that you get with this year's kit, which everybody's kind of been excited about, is this golf bag, which is it's a Sunday golf bag, or they're calling it the Journeyman golf bag. So you're not going to be able to put like a ton of golf clubs, and it doesn't stand up on its own, so you're going to have to carry it with you with the strap here. So yeah, so oh, it's pretty cool. So you can actually put like dual strap, like a backpack situation, unlike some Sunday bags that I've seen where you only get one side. So it's pretty cool that you get, it's like, two-sided. And yeah, so it's a black and green color scheme. Got the Scotty Cameron embroidery on the side, which looks so cool. It says Scotty Cameron Design Studio. Looks like you got a ton of pockets for golf balls and whatever other little things you need. Yeah, so there's a pocket here on the back side to put some items. You got the Scotty Cameron crown on the other side with a zipper area here. So that's pretty cool. Looks like some instructions on how to strap your bag. Take a look at that in a little bit. So it's pretty sweet. I mean, this is honestly, this itself. I mean, the Club Cameron kit is $100. This itself sold me this year. You got some back padding, so when you're actually wearing the bag, you're gonna have that back padding on your back, so you're not just getting just the material and feeling that. You're gonna actually get padding. Titleist black and green hit here, rubberized, stitched on, and it looks like the material is waterproof. So if you're in the day where you're going to be playing some quick holes and probably moist out there, it looks like you can put this bag down and it'll hold up. So I'm pretty stoked about that. And it's kind of hard to see, but you got a single divider. And again, if you guys are not familiar with a Sunday bag or a Journeyman bag, you're not going to be able to put all your golf clubs in here. I mean, you probably could, but you're not getting the most use out of your bag because it's probably going to be super heavy. So again, this is going to be probably for a couple clubs. You're probably potentially going to play, 9 or 18 holes at a smaller golf course, and you're not going to be playing like a full 18. So again, it's not made for like the full 18 hole, experience if you're going to go play golf. But overall, I'm pretty stoked that you get this, this beautiful bag. Get S. Cameron hit on the handle, rubberized, and it feels great. So pretty cool that that's there. And let's take a look at the other goodies. So that was the big one. Let's take a look at what else you get here. All right. So as with every Scotty head cover that you buy off the studio store online, you get the white paper with the gold crown sticker. Can't use the gold sticker, but it's pretty cool. And the tissue paper around it. So First item is this year's Club Cameron head cover. And here it is. So it's like a shiny silver material, Scotty Cameron design studio embroidery at the top of the cover. Titleist hit on the right side of the cover. SC for Scotty Cameron, or S Cameron here on the left side. Again, bringing back from the Journeyman bag the rubberized embroidery patch out there. A little bit of that green embroidery throughout here, so pretty cool. Yep, and your typical Scotty Cameron tag that you get with every head cover. That's if you're buying new. It's pretty much the same one that's on every Scotty Cameron plastic bag tag. So that's that. What else do we got in here for this year? This is a Scotty Cameron lapel pin. So in other packet or other Club Cameron kits, or if you guys have purchased any of the older stuff, you typically see pins, lapel pins, or any kind of pins that are from Scotty Cameron. So it's the same SC or S. Cameron hit that you get from the head cover. So lapel pin probably going to be going on my my wooden case full of Scotty Cameron stuff. So you get that. What else do we get here? Plastic bag. Alright, oh, this is a cool one. It is a ball marker, and it's pretty unique because it's the Scotty Cameron Dog. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the Scotty Cameron Dog. It's rubberized outside, but I think there's probably some metal inside because it's pretty firm. It doesn't bend over. Like, I mean, I could bend it over if I, put pressure on it, but pretty much it's a ball marker, and it's cool because I haven't seen a ball marker out in the market that's rubberized outside. So get a rubberized ball marker. Again, it's firm, so it doesn't break. And last item is a Scotty Cameron sticker. So it's a SC, same one that's on all of the logos that are across the head cover and the lapel pin and the golf bag, the S. Cameron sticker, which will probably go on my collection of Scotty stuff. So yeah, that's this year's Club Cameron kit, $99 to purchase online. I have heard or have seen people say that it's taking some time to get this package out just because everybody's been wanting it just for the bag itself. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on the golf course.